Welcome to Reviewsinside.tv, where we break down everything you need to know about the products that matter to you. Today, we're talking about something that might just transform your kitchen experience: the WantJoin Commercial Blender. This isn't your average blender. With a 2,000-watt high-power motor, a soundproof design, and a large 67-ounce capacity, this could be the answer to your blending needs, whether you're at home or running a professional kitchen. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The WantJoin Commercial Blender is designed to serve a variety of functions, making it a versatile tool for anyone who enjoys smoothies, shakes, frozen drinks, or even ice cream. But it doesn't stop there. It's got the power to crush ice, mix vegetables, fruits, nuts, and grains, extracting all those valuable vitamins and nutrients in a matter of seconds. The real kicker here is its multifunctionality. Smoothie offering the convenience of not just a blender, but also a milkshake machine and ice crusher. If you need something to get your kitchen work done efficiently, this one has got the tools to handle it. Now, let's talk about the standout feature of this blender: its soundproof shield. The WantJoin Blender's soundproof enclosure is an innovative design that wraps the blender in a thick cover, helping to reduce noise to a minimum. This is a game changer if you're used to blenders that sound like they're trying to start a small earthquake. Whether you're blending at home or in a professional setting, you can expect quieter operations thanks to this feature. The soundproof cover is removable, so you can easily access the contents for feeding and stirring, which brings us to its next unique design aspect. Speaking of design, the WantJoin Blender doesn't just perform well, it looks the part too. With a striking red fuselage and a sleek stainless steel mirror panel, this blender is more than just a tool. It's a statement piece in your kitchen. The PC square cup is unbreakable, meaning durability is built into the design. The three-side circulating exhaust at the bottom adds extra functionality by ensuring proper airflow during operation, contributing to its efficient performance. When it comes to functionality, the DIY speed control feature really stands out. You've got the freedom to choose the speed you need, whether you're making a light smoothie or crushing frozen ice for a milkshake. The variable speed dial allows for complete customization, which is perfect for experimenting with various recipes or creating that perfect texture. The blender also features an automatic juicer mode, which is great for those who need convenience without compromising on performance. Whether you're making soups, crushing ice, or preparing frozen desserts, this blender handles it all. The cleaning process is always a concern with high-powered blenders, but WantJoin has made it easy. With the press of the instant cleaning key, you can clean the blender with just a little soap and water. The powerful motor ensures that cleaning is done effectively in no time, leaving you with a spotless machine after every use. This level of convenience is essential for anyone who uses a blender regularly. In terms of performance, the WantJoin Commercial Blender really shines in several areas. The 2,000-watt motor ensures that it delivers impressive blending power, whether you're working with tough frozen ingredients or soft fruits. The quiet operation, thanks to the soundproof cover, is a significant plus if you value a peaceful kitchen environment. The large 67-ounce capacity allows for large batches, making it perfect for group events or family-sized servings. However, no product is without its drawbacks. One thing worth noting is that while the blender's design is solid, it might feel a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. If space is a concern for you, this could be something to consider. Another potential downside is the learning curve when it comes to speed control. The dial allows for a lot of customization, but it might take some time to get used to finding the right balance for different ingredients. When it comes to value for money, the WantJoin Commercial Blender certainly delivers a lot of bang for your buck. With its multifunctional capabilities, powerful motor, and soundproofing, it provides excellent value, especially if you're running a commercial kitchen or regularly making large batches of smoothies, shakes, or desserts. Compared to other high-powered blenders on the market, it stands out in terms of performance and quiet operation. Other blenders in this price range may offer similar motor power, but lack the soundproof design and versatility that this one brings to the table. If we compare it to other high-powered blenders in this range, the Vitamix Commercial Series and Blendtec's Designer 725 come to mind. While both of these blenders offer similar motor power and capacity, they don't have the same level of sound insulation. This is a major differentiator, especially if noise is an issue for you. On the other hand, those brands offer well-established reputations for durability, and the WantJoin, while reliable, may still need more time in the market to prove its long-term reliability. Speaking of durability, the WantJoin blender's materials feel premium and sturdy. The unbreakable PC cup and the stainless steel panel give it a professional look and feel, which is great for a product in this price range. The design also seems built to last, but as with any high-powered appliance, regular maintenance will be key to ensuring longevity. The removable soundproof cover is a smart touch for easy cleaning and access, which will help maintain the blender's performance over time. Customer support for the WantJoin brand is fairly straightforward, and while I haven't personally had to interact with them directly, the company does offer a comprehensive warranty on the product. This speaks to their confidence in the blender's durability and reliability. As for updates, there isn't much to mention. The WantJoin blender doesn't rely on software or firmware updates, and that's not necessary for a product like this. What you see is what you get, and that's a solid, dependable machine for your kitchen. So, what's the final verdict? The WantJoin Commercial Blender is a powerhouse with its 2,000-watt motor, multifunctional capabilities, and impressive soundproofing features. It performs well in a variety of scenarios, from blending smoothies to crushing ice and making frozen desserts. Its unique design and user-friendly features, like the DIY speed control and easy cleaning mechanism, make it a great choice for both home users and professionals. However, if you're working with limited counter space or don't want to deal with a slightly bulkier design, you might want to look at other options. That said, if you're in the market for a versatile, quiet, and high-powered blender that can handle a wide range of tasks, the WantJoin Commercial Blender is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching today's review. If you've already got one of these blenders or are thinking about picking one up, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Until next time, this is Reviewsinside TV. Signing off, because when it comes to reviews, we've got you covered inside and out.